Good evening, Plymouth, New Hampshire. I'm student meteorologist Megan Duncan here with your nightly weather. If you look at our Plymouth State University webcam, you can see some moisture on the lens here from the showers that we had earlier this morning. We did get a peek of blue sky earlier this afternoon. Our satellite is showing the system that's a cold front extending down to Florida that's actually moving off to our east right now. Will leave us with some clearer skies this weekend. Looking at our temperatures throughout the country today, we're actually cool all over. We're at 65 in Dallas, 58 in Santa Fe, and 69 degrees in Sacramento, California. In New England here, we're at 47 in New York, 49 in Hartford, and 46 in Boston, so not even breaking that 50-degree mark. In New Hampshire, we're at 44 in Nashua, 44 in Concord, and even some places not even breaking 40 degrees in Lebanon. Our current snow depth here, you can see in New York and Vermont, we have some snow that came through earlier this morning, so you can see that right now on our current snow depth radar. But if you look at our current snow depth in the White Mountains here, we're at 16 to 20 inches of snow depth, which is significantly lower than recently has been due to all the snow melt that has been occurring in March. Our current conditions here, we're at 40 degrees right now, with still some rain occurring and wind west at 16 miles an hour. Comparing our current conditions to our average here today, our actual high today is going to be 42 degrees. Our average is actually at 50, so we're cooler than our average today and not even close to a record of 89 degrees set in 1998. Tonight we're going to get to a low of 21 degrees, partly cloudy, winds northwest at 12 miles an hour, so wind chill is a factor tonight. Our futurecast here showing that as this system moves through, our clouds are even going to dissipate, giving us some more sunshine and maybe even warming up more this weekend. Tomorrow is going to be a high of 38, so very similar to today, mostly sunny, so it's going to feel a little bit warmer without that rain occurring, and wind is going to be northwest at 9 miles an hour. Our system forecast here, this is the system I'm talking about here. This is our cold front that's going to move eastward and bring its precipitation with it. It's going to create another line of precipitation along the east coast and potentially snow in the White Mountains. And then as this moves through, we're expecting some clearer weather. There's a chance of precipitation, as you can see here in eastern New York, that could push through, but I expect it to dissipate before it hits New Hampshire. Looking at for weather tomorrow, Good Friday, we're high of 39, low of 22. This weekend, it looks like it's going to continue to warm up with Easter weekend. Sunday, a high of 53, low of 35, so breaking that freezing degree mark. And then later this week is going to continue to warm up, and Wednesday we might even be pushing 60 degrees, high of 58, and a low of 39. So something to look forward to next week. Thank you all for tuning in, and enjoy the rest of your evening.